So Thales theorem says that if we have a triangle defined by the diameter of a circumference and we draw a point on the circumference and draw lines, in this case from C to A and C to B, we can define a triangle that no matter where this point C is on the circumference, it will always be a right triangle, which means that uh, this angle will always measure 90 degrees. Now, how can that be possible? We can draw a line from C to point O, and we can define now two triangles, and we can see that both triangles are isosceles triangles because two of their sides have the same length. For example, the length from A to O is the same as the length from O to C, and for this triangle O to B measures the same as from O to C. Now, one of the properties of isosceles triangles is that they have two angles which measure the same. In this case, we can say that we can call this angle alpha, and we can see that angle alpha is the same as this angle, so we can call it alpha 2. And for this triangle, we can see that this angle is the same as this one, so we can call both angles beta. So one of the properties of triangles is that if we sum all the angles inside of them, we will always get 180 degrees. So we can write an equation saying that alpha, the angle alpha plus this angle alpha plus this angle beta plus this angle beta will give 180 degrees. We can change the form of the equation and say that 2 times alpha plus 2 times beta will be 180 degrees. And now we can divide this equation by 2. So we get that alpha plus beta equals 90 degrees. Now we can see that on this part of the triangle, the angle is formed by alpha and beta. So because of this equation, we know that this angle will always be 90 degrees.